Oh, hello. Yeah, you look great.
Thank you.
But stand up there, I'll get another one. I hope you don't want paying. Got it. Hey guys, right, so I'm in Margate. Well, you're about to see all the images I got from yesterday. And Margate's in the southeast of England, for all of you non-Brits. And it's got a real charm about it, a real old English postcard type of a town. It's kind of on the cusp of becoming a little bit more gentrified, but it's not quite there yet. But because of that, it's a photographer's paradise. So anyway, look, I hope you like the shots. Please subscribe to the channel if you've not subscribed already. Give this video a thumbs up, it's a real big support for me. And like I said, I hope you enjoy the fun and games. Cheers guys, bye. Yeah, do you want me to send you it? Stand up there, I'll get another one.
Yeah. Did you see that though?
Yeah, I ain't done that. Do that again.
Right, not me. I said about to say.
No, stand up on that. Alright, this is a better shot. Right, okay. I hope you don't want paying. Yeah, there's boozer under here, is there?
They're all boozies.
I've got Posh and Beck's up here.
Oh,
He does look like Ewan McGregor, doesn't he?
oh, for fuck's sake, I think I've heard.
Right, let me get a close-up. Hold up. Right, look this way then.
Wiping it.
Oh, yeah. Let's get a shot of you over here, mate. Standing right on that corner. But no, this way into the light. Bit more, bit more, bit more. That's it. I'll tell you what, can I get a close-up? Let's get a close. You'll be surprised at how close I'll get. Right, into the camera. So, how was that for you? Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to the channel. I know I keep nagging you, but there's a whole bunch of you people watching these videos. Around about 50% of the people watch my videos every week are not subscribed. I know, because I've got like a little analytics thing. So it'd be really big support for me if you'd subscribe to the channel and give the video a thumbs up. And I've got to come back here soon now, guys. Anyway, that'll do. I'll see you on next week's. Cheers, guys. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.